I had enough.
We're rolling. Dad, I hit you.
See if it works.
Nope.
No, it's turning. It's going. It's going. Keep it rolling. Keep it rolling. Oh, keep it going. There we go. See? Just little guys. Get bigger. Not bad, getting better.
It's just like a bright red light shining on the camera.
See how it gets when it gets up to the bigger one. It's still
It's
working.
not doing it.
It's still
No, I
working.
stop.
Oh, it's still going. It's working perfectly, actually, so far.
That way did burn you.
I got him in the ankle.
I gotta get
Where did it get you? Like where?
Like it blasted him right in the ankle.
Hey, bigger one's getting ready to go.
Isn't your
Watch,
thing?
watch, watch. Here we go.
Is your thing working?
It's working perfectly.
Doesn't look that cool from the camera angle.
Getting it all on the camera.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, it's still going. I got the biggest one on this little display. Oh no!
Do I pause?
Back, Lou. The Wicks is still there. I'm gonna hit it. All right. Get back.
We're still rolling.
All but one hit. That's gonna go.
Oh, the camera's blurry. Blur, we got blur. Now it's enhancing. It was blur a second ago.
All right.
Now that actually looks good in this angle.
These look to all be very similar. You got one lit.
They look like cereal boxes.
They kind of do. Second one going. Oh my god, it's almost like perfectly timed. Oh. Third one's going. The girls take off. Oh, here we go. They got another one going.
I'll be the recorder.
Is it still recording?
Yep.
Yeah. Okay.
Wow. It's a little flame now. Oh,
Last one.
I don't think you like me calling it a little flame. Oh, I don't think it's a little flame now.
Well, it
That one's on
kind
that
of
hole.
is.
Oh.
Oh,
More of a dud than the others.
dead. It's more dead, you could say.
I catch on fire.
Fire! Fire in the hole! What? Was that it? That is
Apparently.
something. I feel like this one's gonna be bad. Dad, be careful! Oh, what
I'm fine, I'm fine.
heck was that? Did you guys just see that? It flew up like meow, meow.
Is that first one a dud? It might be.
Let's see.
That one didn't flare out at all.
Let's see. Takes time for fireworks, Dad.
Well, it flared initially, then stopped. Okay, now we gotta wait for the sparkler to make it to the next one.
So, how's your day going?
Chicken on fireworks.
Yeah, no, let's just have a casual conversation while we're waiting for the next one.
Yeah.
Not chicken on fireworks.
Ooh, chicken. Who said chicken?
Who wants chicken?
Chicken. Chicken.
Somebody said something about chicken.
I want chicken, not you. I want chicken. I want chicken.
Well, you go running pretty fast. Why are you moving the camera around for? Keep it on that. Here we go.
So how was
Here
your
goes
day?
number 2.
Oh, it started. It's lit. Oh, and there's a flame. Oh, it's pretty. Yeah, that's pretty.
Oh, jeez, there's a car coming through.
Well, that's
There's other roads, buddy. Okay, that was number 2.
well, that was nice.
Sparkler's going toward number 3.
So how was your day going?
Day's going pretty good. How's your day going?
Good.
It's kind of your birthday weekend, isn't it?
Yeah.
Your birthday's actually on Monday.
Yep.
Monday.
Oh, we celebrate
Like and subscribe, cause it's almost my birthday.
I really care.
Spoken like a true YouTuber.
What?
Okay, we're getting close to number 3. So we got
Oh my gosh, we're
neighbors are giving us competition.
No, we're better.
There's number 3.
Ah, look at it. It's pretty. We only have fountains. That's the bad thing about our area. Look at it. It's so beautiful and amazing. Dun 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 dun. Oh. Not the noise though. Oh, I think oh, that's pretty. That's
That's the
pretty.
second stage of number 3.
I like
I
it.
see the sparkler going toward number 4 though. Yeah, we're still going. Yes, it's working. It's working.
Daddy, you've done
Well,
this
sparkler
before.
number 2. Oh
Shouldn't
no! Oh no! Light! 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 Light!
a little bit. Yeah. Oh, Dad, run away! Chill. Whoa! 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 You know, it looks better in real life than on camera.
Recording.
Yeah, it's
Good job. What do you think, Lou?
I think it's amazing.
Happy birthday, kiddo.
Thank you, you too. Whoa, 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 whoa. It's not your birthday, calm down. It's not your birthday, calm down. Jeez Louise. Oh,
I don't
thank
think
you, thank you. Dad, is it
Didn't
working?
make it.
Looks failed. Oh, wow. Well, when it fails, you always gotta try again. Right, Dad? And also, you need to run away from that as soon as you can, because that's fireworks, you know. Dad, run, run, run! Oh,
Let's go to
sparkler.
the next one.
Good. So, how was your day going, and why was your day
It's going
going?
pretty good.
What's your favorite color today?
Favorite color today is fireworks.
That's a terrible dad joke. Terrible.
I love my dad jokes.
This is so terrible, guys. This is so
you
terrible.
love my dad jokes.
Leave a like if you think this is terrible.
Here we go. Fountain number 2, stage 2.
Dad, you have terrible jokes.
Thank you, Lorelai.
That's why it wasn't
I
working.
consider that a compliment.
Seriously?
Keep that camera steady, kid.
Why?
Keep it steady.
I'm keeping it steady. Whoa, 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 whoa.
There you go. I feel like I see the other ones lit too. Just me or the third?
You know
Third stage
something-
looks like it's lit.
You know, something tells me that.
Yeah, the third stage is lit.
You know,
We're gonna have
something tells me that this
We got a
is
show
not.
coming. We got a show coming.
Oh, well, something tells me that this is not happy. It's not happy. Because he's throwing out a temper tantrum. He burned
Yeah, this is
Ava
it.
a
This
little
is it.
bit.
Stage
He
3 is
burned
lit.
Daddy a teensy bit. So Ben, I don't
I
think.
think part of stage 3 went out.
Well, at least we still have this beautiful thing. Oh, it's becoming even more beautiful. Look how beautiful it is, guys. Okay, now it's just showing off. Okay, now that was just showing off.
All right. I gotta
Chill.
make sure. That might have been it, but let's make sure.
Was it though? Daddy's going in for another try for the 1000th time.
One more left.
You do? Light it! I'm recording, you know. How can I do for you? Dad, run!
There's
Okay,
the
you're
last
just
one.
showing off now. The dragon!
That is the dragon. Yep.
I like the dragon the best. You know, you always gotta save the best for last, you know? Oh, okay, now it's just showing off. It's showing off. It's showing off. Okay, now it's just showing off, okay? Oh, you always gotta have a little bit of sparkle in your life. Get it? Because it's sparkly and... Okay, another dad joke I learned from Dad. Don't blame
think
me.
we're
I
done.
totally didn't make that one up. Chicken nuggets, yeah. Chicken nuggets, yeah. Chicken nuggets, yeah. Yeah. Chicken nuggets, yeah. Chicken nuggets, yeah. Chicken nuggets, yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, it's been a while.
Hi guys, hope you like our fireworks show. Please like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell. Is that how you say it? I don't know. Why am I asking myself questions? And there's my dad coming. Yeah.